Hello and welcome back to Mr. English Lovers.
Hi, everyone. We're so glad you're here with us today.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex. Thank you for joining us again.
If you're new here, please subscribe and like this video. It really helps us grow.
Today, we're going to talk about something that affects almost everyone.
That's right. We're going to talk about stress, how to recognize it, what causes it, and how to manage it.
This is such an important topic in modern life.
It really is. So, Alex, let's start with a basic question. What is stress?
Stress is the feeling of being overwhelmed or under pressure.
Yes, it's when you have too much to do or too many worries.
Your body and mind feel tense and uncomfortable.
Exactly. Everyone experiences stress sometimes.
It's a normal part of life, but too much stress is bad for your health.
So, Alex, are you stressed right now?
Right now? No, I'm actually quite relaxed. But this week has been stressful.
What happened this week?
I had 3 big projects due at the same time, plus my car broke down.
Oh no, that sounds very stressful.
It was. I didn't sleep well. I felt anxious all the time.
Anxious? What does that feel like?
My mind was racing. I kept thinking about everything I needed to do.
That's a classic sign of stress.
And physically, I felt it too. My shoulders were tight and I had a headache.
Stress affects both the mind and the body.
Exactly. What about you, Emma? What stresses you out?
Many things. Being late is very stressful for me.
Being late to what?
To anything, work, meetings, appointments, I hate being late.
So you're always early?
Yes, I'd rather wait than be late. Being late makes my heart race.
That's interesting. For me, being late isn't that stressful.
Really? It doesn't bother you?
Not as much. I try to be on time, but if I'm 5 minutes late, it's okay.
We handle stress differently. Everyone is different.
That's true. What else stresses you?
Public speaking, talking in front of many people.
Oh, that's very common. Many people fear public speaking.
Do you get stressed by public speaking?
A little. My hands get sweaty and my voice shakes.
Same, and I forget what I wanted to say.
That happens to me too. Your mind goes blank.
Let's talk about what causes stress. What are common causes?
Work is a big one. Deadlines, difficult bosses, too much work.
Yes, work stress is very common.
Money problems also cause a lot of stress.
Not having enough money, paying bills, debt.
Health problems are stressful too. Being sick or worrying about illness.
Relationships can be stressful. Arguments with family or friends.
Moving to a new home is stressful.
Starting a new job or school.
Traffic. Being stuck in traffic is so stressful.
Oh yes, especially when you're already late.
That's double stress for you.
It is. I avoid rush hour when possible.
Smart. Let's talk about how stress affects our bodies. What are the physical symptoms?
Headaches are very common.
Yes, I get tension headaches when I'm stressed.
Muscle tension, especially in the neck and shoulders.
Stomach problems. Some people get stomach aches or feel nauseous.
Feeling tired all the time, even after sleeping.
Difficulty sleeping. You're tired, but you can't fall asleep.
That's frustrating. Your body needs sleep, but your mind won't stop.
Exactly. What about emotional symptoms?
Feeling irritable, getting angry easily over small things.
Feeling overwhelmed, like you can't handle everything.
Anxiety and worry, constantly thinking about problems.
Difficulty concentrating. You can't focus on tasks.
Feeling sad or hopeless.
These are all signs that stress is affecting you.
If you notice these symptoms, it's important to do something about it.
Absolutely. So let's talk about stress management. How do you manage stress, Emma?
I exercise. Exercise is my #1 stress reliever.
What kind of exercise?
I do yoga 3 times a week. Yoga helps me relax and breathe properly.
Breathing is so important for stress.
It is. When we're stressed, we breathe shallowly. Yoga teaches deep breathing.
I should try yoga.
You should. What do you do to manage stress?
I listen to music. Music calms me down immediately.
What kind of music?
Classical music or nature sounds. Rain, ocean waves, forest sounds.
Nature sounds are very soothing.
They are. I also go for walks.
Walking is great for stress.
Yes, just 20 minutes outside makes a big difference.
Fresh air and movement help clear your mind.
Exactly. Do you have other stress management techniques?
I write in a journal.
A journal. What do you write?
Everything that's stressing me. All my worries and thoughts.
Does it help?
Yes, getting it out of my head and onto paper helps a lot.
That makes sense. It's like talking to someone.
Exactly. Sometimes I feel better just by writing it down.
I might try that.
What about talking to friends? Do you do that?
Sometimes. But I don't want to burden them with my problems.
That's not a burden. True friends want to help.
You're right. I should talk more.
Talking helps. Even if they can't solve the problem, they can listen.
Good point. Let's talk about unhealthy ways people deal with stress.
Oh yes, not all coping mechanisms are good.
Some people drink too much alcohol when stressed.
That's dangerous. Alcohol doesn't solve the problem.
It makes you forget temporarily, but the stress comes back.
And alcohol can create more problems.
Smoking is another unhealthy way to cope.
Yes, people smoke to relax, but it's bad for health.
Overeating or eating junk food.
Stress eating. I've done that before.
Who hasn't? A whole tub of ice cream when you're stressed.
It feels good in the moment, but not after.
You just feel worse, physically and emotionally.
What about avoiding the problem? Ignoring stress?
That's procrastination. It doesn't help.
The problem doesn't go away. It usually gets worse.
And the stress builds up more and more.
So what are healthy ways to cope with stress?
Exercise, like you said. Any physical activity helps.
Meditation. Taking time to sit quietly and clear your mind.
Getting enough sleep. At least 7 to 8 hours per night.
Eating healthy food. Your body needs good nutrition to handle stress.
Spending time with loved ones. Social support is important.
Doing hobbies you enjoy. Things that make you happy.
Taking breaks. You can't work all the time.
These all sound simple, but they really work.
They do. The simple things are often the most effective.
Let's talk about work stress. Many people are stressed at work.
Work stress is huge. So many hours of the day at work.
What causes work stress for you?
Deadlines. When I have a project due and not enough time.
Do you work better under pressure?
Some pressure is good. It motivates me. But too much pressure is stressful.
I understand. A little stress can be helpful.
Yes, it's called good stress or eustress.
Eustress? I haven't heard that word.
It's positive stress. It pushes you to do your best.
Like before a competition or performance.
Exactly. You're nervous, but excited. It helps you focus.
But too much stress is bad stress.
Right. That's called distress. It's harmful.
So we need some stress, but not too much.
Balance is key.
What stresses you at work?
Difficult students sometimes, when they don't listen or behave badly.
That must be challenging.
It is. I want to help them, but sometimes it's hard.
How do you handle it?
I take deep breaths. I remind myself that they're just children.
Patience is important.
Very important. And I talk to other teachers. They give me advice.
Support from colleagues helps a lot.
It does. We're all in the same situation.
Let's talk about time management. Does poor time management cause stress?
Absolutely. When you're disorganized, everything feels chaotic.
How do you manage your time?
I use a planner. I write down all my tasks and appointments.
Paper planner or digital?
Paper. I like writing by hand. It helps me remember.
I use my phone calendar. I set reminders for everything.
Digital is convenient. always with you?
Do you prioritize tasks?
Yes. I use the urgent important method.
What's that?
Some tasks are urgent and important. Do those first.
Makes sense.
Some tasks are important, but not urgent. Schedule those.
What about urgent but not important?
Delegate if possible, or do them quickly.
And not urgent and not important?
Don't do them at all. They're distractions.
That's a great system. I should use that.
It helps reduce stress. You know what to focus on.
Let's talk about saying no. Can't saying no cause stress?
Oh, yes. Many people say yes to everything.
Then they're overwhelmed with commitments.
Exactly. It's okay to say no.
But it's hard to say no. You don't want to disappoint people.
I know. But you have to protect your time and energy.
How do you say no politely?
You can say, I'd love to help, but I don't have time right now.
Or, I need to check my schedule first.
Yes. You don't have to give an immediate answer.
Taking time to think is okay.
Absolutely. Don't feel pressured to say yes right away.
Good advice. Let's talk about stress and technology.
Technology can cause a lot of stress.
How so?
We're always connected, always checking emails and messages.
There's no break from work.
Exactly. Even at home, we answer work emails.
The boundary between work and personal life disappears. Do you check work emails at night?
Sometimes. It's a bad habit.
I try not to. After 7 p.m., no work emails.
That's a good rule. I should do that.
Social media also causes stress.
How?
Comparing yourself to others. Everyone looks perfect online.
But it's not real. People only post the good parts of their life.
I know that logically, but emotionally it still affects me.
Me too. I see people traveling, having fun, and I feel bad.
FOMO. Fear of missing out.
That's a real thing. Social media makes it worse.
What's the solution?
Limit social media time, maybe 30 minutes a day.
Or take a complete break, a digital detox.
Have you done that?
Once, I deleted all social media apps for 1 week.
How did it feel?
Strange at first, I kept reaching for my phone, but after a few days, I felt free.
Free?
Yes, I had so much more time, and I felt less anxious.
I want to try that.
You should. It's very revealing.
Let's talk about relaxation techniques. What helps you relax?
Taking a hot bath with candles and soft music.
That sounds lovely.
It is. The warm water relaxes my muscles.
How long do you stay in the bath?
About 30 minutes. Sometimes I read a book.
Reading in the bath? Isn't the book get wet?
I'm careful. What relaxes you?
Watching the sunset. Just sitting and watching the sky change colors.
That's beautiful and free.
Exactly. Nature is the best medicine.
Do you meditate?
I've tried, but it's hard. My mind wanders.
That's normal. Meditation takes practice.
How do you meditate?
I sit comfortably, close my eyes, and focus on my breathing.
For how long?
Just 10 minutes. That's enough to feel calmer.
Only 10 minutes?
Yes, you don't need hours. Start small.
Maybe I'll try again.
There are apps to help, guided meditation apps.
Like a teacher guiding you?
Exactly. A voice tells you what to do.
That might help me.
Let's talk about when to seek help. When is stress too much?
If stress affects your daily life, you should get help.
What does that mean?
If you can't sleep, can't eat, can't work properly,
If you feel depressed or hopeless,
if you have physical symptoms that won't go away,
who should you talk to?
a doctor is a good start. They can check your physical health.
A therapist or counselor for mental health.
There's no shame in seeking help.
No shame at all. It's brave to ask for help.
Mental health is as important as physical health.
Absolutely. We need to take care of both.
Let's end with some quick stress relief tips, things you can do right now.
Take 5 deep breaths. Breathe in slowly, breathe out slowly.
Stretch your body. Roll your shoulders, stretch your neck.
Drink a glass of water. Dehydration can make stress worse.
Go outside for 5 minutes. Fresh air helps.
Call a friend. Even a short chat helps.
Listen to your favorite song.
Pet a dog or cat if you have one.
Laugh. Watch a funny video.
These are all quick and easy.
And they really work. Try them next time you feel stressed.
Alex, we used many important words today about stress. Let's review them.
Great idea. These words are very useful.
Let's start with overwhelmed.
Overwhelmed means having too much to deal with. You feel like you can't handle everything.
I felt overwhelmed by all my work.
Perfect. Next is anxious.
Anxious means feeling worried or nervous about something.
I feel anxious before exams.
Good example. What about tense?
Tense means tight or stiff, usually from stress or nervousness.
My muscles feel tense when I'm stressed.
Exactly. Let's explain irritable.
Irritable means easily annoyed or angered.
When I'm tired, I become irritable.
That's right. How about cope?
To cope means to deal with something difficult, to manage a problem.
I use exercise to cope with stress.
Good sentence. Let's do burden.
A burden is something heavy or difficult that you have to carry, physically or emotionally.
I don't want to be a burden to my friends.
Perfect. What about procrastination?
Procrastination is delaying or postponing something you should do.
Procrastination makes stress worse.
Very true. Let's explain meditation.
Meditation is a practice where you quiet your mind and focus, usually for relaxation.
I practice meditation every morning.
Good. How about distress?
Distress is extreme anxiety, sadness, or pain. It's negative stress.
The news caused me distress.
And the opposite is eustress.
Eustress is positive stress that motivates you.
The excitement before a race is eustress.
Exactly. What about prioritize?
To prioritize means to decide what is most important and do it first.
I need to prioritize my tasks.
Good. And finally, detox.
A detox is when you remove something harmful from your life, like a digital detox.
I did a social media detox for 1 week.
Let's review. Overwhelmed, anxious, tense, irritable, cope, burden, procrastination, meditation, de-stress, eustress, prioritize, and detox.
12 important words about stress.
Well, Alex, we covered so much about stress today.
We really did, from causes to symptoms to solutions.
Let's summarize what we discussed.
We talked about what stress is and how it affects our bodies and minds.
We discussed common causes of stress like work, money, and relationships.
We shared physical symptoms like headaches and muscle tension.
We talked about emotional symptoms like anxiety and irritability.
We shared our personal stress management techniques.
We discussed healthy and unhealthy ways to cope with stress.
We talked about work stress and time management.
And we gave quick tips for immediate stress relief.
Now it's time for our question of the day.
Yes, we want to hear from you.
Today's question has 2 parts. First, what causes you the most stress?
And second, how do you manage or reduce your stress?
Please share in the comments. We'd love to learn from your experiences.
Maybe your tips can help other viewers too.
That's right. We're all in this together.
Before we finish, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.
It helps us create more helpful content for you.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
Remember, stress is normal, but you don't have to suffer.
Take care of yourself, practice self-care, ask for help when you need it.
Your health and well-being are the most important things.
We'll see you in the next video. Take care.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye. Stay calm and stress-free.